Hello. Hi. So today I'm going to show you how I make my granola bars. So granola bars are so great to have on hand because they're a quick breakfast, they're a quick snack, they're really sweet. So if you have like a sweet craving, you can do that too with these. So what we're going to start with is 3 bananas. Okay, so you want to try to get them where they're ripe, and when they're ripe, they're like, they're kind of brown almost, like you're getting there, so that they're a little bit soft, so that you can mash them up. Okay, so just gonna put those in there. See, this one even has like the brown on it. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry about that. Got one more. So three bananas. Okay, so you can add a little almond milk if you need to, if you need it to help smash it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna smash these up, and I want it to make it a soft consistency. Okay. Then all I'm gonna do is add the rest of my ingredients to this. So the rest of the ingredients are an apple, so a Granny Smith apple. I am going to chop it into small pieces. I'll leave the skin on it. All right. So this is going to be nice and soft. Okay. So that is good. Now, again, you can add a little milk if you need. If they're like, say maybe you're not able to get ripe bananas, then you could add a little milk to that to kind of soften that up a little. Oh, I got a call from my son. Let me just answer that while I'm doing this. Hey, Lauren.
Hi.
What's up? Hi. Apple?
Who's there?
No, nothing. I'm on the, I'm making a video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm making granola bars. What do you want?
Okay, is Oscar playing Fortnite?
No, he is not playing Fortnite.
He isn't?
Do you want him to?
Is he on?
You can call him on his phone.
What?
You can call him.
Did he have his phone?
He has it.
Couldn't he not find it?
Yeah, I found it this morning.
Okay, I'll call him.
Okay, bye. Okay, so a little insight onto my life. Okay, so I'm going to cut my apples into small pieces. So usually how I do that is I just slice them up, and then I'll go in here, and I might even kind of half that down, and then just helps if you have a sharp knife to cut through the skin. Okay. Put that right into slices. I got my slices, okay? And then I'll probably cut it a little bit to get started, and then cut this right down. Lauren's trying to call you. He wants you to get on Fortnite. Okay. And then small pieces. Right in there. Okay, we'll do it again. Slice, slice. Try to keep them together. Makes it easier. Slice it. And then I'll just get the ends started, because those are small. Then it gets whiter. So then I'll turn it over. I'll slice that. And then I go in there. those fingers out of the way. Small pieces. So in case you haven't done it yet, so your oven will be on 300, okay? So it's pretty low, right? Because we don't want these things to burn, and we're gonna cook it for 40 minutes. Nothing is, basically you just kind of wanna get it all heated up, you know? So it's gonna take low and slow, right? Kind of like, I gotta say this, kind of like, you know, anything you want in life that you want to have results with. It's like low and slow, consistent, and consistently doing the little things. Okay. All right, so there's the small pieces. There's my apple, okay? That's probably the hardest time-consuming thing out of this. Okay, and it does actually ask for a half of an apple, but that one was pretty small, so I put the whole thing in there. It's fine, right? And oh boy, what if I get a little extra too much apple? It's certainly not gonna taste bad. All right, so then I got 1 cup of raisins. Now, you can use currants if you want. Say you don't have raisins and you have currants, you can do those. So, 1 cup of raisins. And you could even use, if you have like cranberries and you want to use those, just make sure that they're not sulfured and there's no added sugar to them, because sometimes the cranberries, they add sugar. Okay, so I got my raisins, go right in there. I need to buy more raisins. I'm almost out. And then a half a cup of chopped walnuts. So these walnuts are already chopped. So half a cup of that. Right in there. And then, oh, actually, 1 whole cup. We'll do another half a cup. 1 whole cup of walnuts. Okay. And then a half a cup of sunflower seeds. Actually, I have them over here. So I had to go buy these today. I buy them at Trader Joe's because our grocery store around here does not carry raw sunflower seeds. If you look at the ingredients, just says sunflower seeds. They're not even roasted. I just need to pull this. Okay, so 1/2 cup of raw sunflower seeds. Yay for sunflower seeds. Love them. And then 1/4 of a cup of sesame seeds. Am I out? Sesame seeds. Which side? Oh no, I don't. I have them right here. Good. Okay, sesame seeds here. So they're unhulled sesame seeds. 1/4 of a cup. Sesame seeds. Well, on my 1/4 cup, but I know that 3 of these is 3 tablespoons is 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to just do that. Sesame seeds are very high in calcium. There you go. And then you'll do your seasonings, cinnamon or pumpkin spice. I use my cinnamon because I like the cinnamon that I buy, which is Ceylon, C-E-Y-L-O-N. 1 teaspoon. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon, so I'm going to put 4 of these in. 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to just do an extra one. And then 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. You notice I don't have to go very far to get my ingredients. They're all like right here in one spot. All of these ingredients, they all go together. And when I make my oatmeal or when I do my smoothies or whatever, it's like all right here. So I can just hurry up and put everything in. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything together. Okay. Mix it all together. And when I have it all mixed, then I'm gonna put it into a baking dish. Lightly oiled. I just use a little spray oil. You can also, if you don't have spray oil, you can just put like a paper towel, put oil on it, and just spread it on there. And I'm gonna, once I put it in my baking dish, I'm just gonna press it so it's firm consistency. So all that looks really good. My lovely baking dish. I actually big. 8 by 8. Do this one. So it's a 9 by 9. This is an 8 by 8. Okay, now my 9 by 9 is being used right now. Okay, a little bit of spray. That's it. Okay. Put that in here. Okay. I'm going to press it nice and firm. Oh, sorry. Press it nice and firm on here. Okay, till it's a firm consistency there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 40 minutes, and then that's it. So it really didn't take me very long, and I'll get some bars for breakfast and some snacks. So especially if you're traveling, this is like the way to go. So all right, let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.